Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I have got a tutorial for you, especially for those facing microphone issues on Discord. If your Discord is not detecting your mic or it's not showing up in your input devices, I have got some solution for you. Important note before we dive in, some folks might find their mics not working because they disable microphone input output in the BIOS, so make sure to check your BIOS settings and enable those if needed. Alright, let's get started with the troubleshooting step. First thing first, let's check the privacy settings for your mic. Sometimes third-party apps mess with these settings, causing your microphone to disable. Ensure that the permissions are enabled. So click on the Windows icon, then go into the settings. Once you go over there, now simply you need to go here into the privacy, and on the left side you will see here the microphone. Once you go over there, click on this change and make sure it's turned on. If it's off, don't worry, turn it off and then turn it on. Repeat the process. So sometimes glitches make issues, so you need to repeat this process just once. And also if it's on, just turn it off and then re-on. I'm not doing this right now because I'm recording, so my sound might be disturbed, so just do it. Alright, this one as well, just turn it off and turn it on. After doing this, now hopefully your problem should be fixed. Basically these settings allow your microphone to use whether in any applications that support microphone functions. Now the first step is clear. Let's move on to step number 2. Now head to the microphone control panel to verify if it's working correctly. Sometimes your PC might not be picking up the microphone and you might mistakenly think it's a Discord issue. So click on the Windows icon, then type here the control panel, hit enter to open the control panel. Now hardware and sound, and then sound. Once you go over there, go into the recording devices. Now as you can see, my microphone is over here, it's detected, and right now what I'm speaking is just monitoring my voice. So make sure your microphone is working like this one. Your mic is monitoring your voice. So if that's happening, means your microphone is working super fine. Alright, if everything is fine, I mean if your mic is not monitoring, so basically it's your microphone issue. And if your microphone is picking up over here but not monitoring your voice, so might be it's a jack issue. So you need a splitter which is 3.5, a female splitter that will help you to connect your microphone with your laptop or PC. Mostly it's happening with the laptops because laptop have a different jack, so you need a splitter. Anyways, now everything is working fine, but still your Discord is not detecting your microphone over here, right? Like voice and video. And as you can see right now, my microphone is detecting by Discord. But in case if your microphone is still not appearing here, okay, let's try to solve it. First of all, we will open any browser. I'm going with Google Chrome, but you can go with any browser. Now type here the VP audio cable. This is the software cable, just like So once you go on this website, click on here on the download. We are going to use a third-party virtual cable. This software cable will help us route your microphone voice to Discord input. Let's install it in the input device and configure it. So first of all, it's a zip file, so I'm going in the same folder, extracting in the same folder again, and then just go into it. There's two setup and setup 64-bit. We are going for 64-bit. You can go with anyone if the other one's working. Installation completes and successful. You might reboot your system to finalize installation. Let's see, might be without this it's working, but if it's not working, then I need to restart my PC. It's a long process for me as well. So alright, we got this. Now as you can see here, my microphone is monitoring, but virtual cable is not monitoring my sound. So the configuration is just we will allow our microphone to transmit the audio into the cable output, and the other settings we will go configure over here. we will set here now cable output. You'll get this option. If you are not getting this, just restart your PC after installation and you'll get this option. Don't worry about this. Alright, now as you can see, it's non-monitoring sound. Don't worry. Now we will allow our microphone. Just double tap on your microphone. Now go into the listen and select here the cable input. Alright, and listen to this device. Now when we check this option, so our microphone will transfer the audio into this cable. Hit apply because we select here the cable and check this option. And now you can see my Discord is monitoring, my virtual cable is monitoring my audio, and yeah, right now my Discord is also capturing the audio. If you see over here, just unmuting. So when I'm speaking or saying anything on through mic, it's monitoring because I select here the virtual cable. See, cable output VB audio virtual cable. So this will solve your issue, and this process work with your Clownfish as well. A lot of people are facing issues with Clownfish, so you can guys try this with Clownfish as well. I have already make a lot of tutorials on Clownfish, so just go ahead, watch those tutorials if you are facing anything. Remember, every problem has a solution. It just takes some time to find it. After following this tutorial, your problem should hopefully be resolved. For more help and guide, drop your feedback, like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more informative videos with notification. See you in the next video. Till then, just take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.
Yo, check it out, I'm the Windows fixer, the one and only. I make tutorials on YouTube, tech content flowing. Your PC slow, I got the solution. Step by step, I'll guide you through the resolutions. You're master of troubleshooting, ain't no doubt. I'll fix your errors, no need to pout. Got the skills and the knowledge, I'm the real MVP. Windows fixer on a mission, that's me, can't you see? Oh yeah. Windows fixer, saving the day. Tech tutorial creator, showing you the way. Hip-hop vibes, bringing the beat. Fix your PC, make it all complete. Come on, hey, Windows fixer, here to assist. Facing those glitches, we won't desist. Every problem, we'll conquer it all. Tech tutorial content never fall. Ooh yeah.